on Chat GPT.
Chat GPT.
Chat GPT.
I don't think we're ready for it.
Are you sick of working in Excel for hours on end? Do you ever struggle to find a quick answer or get lost in countless results from Google searches? Most of us have heard of ChatGPT, but as a quick refresher, it's a powerful natural language tool that has become viral given the endless potential and its many different applications. In this YouTube video, I will walk you through ChatGPT and its game-changing ability to simplify daily processes, and I will test the AI to have it create a few different Excel formulas to demonstrate its power. Have you ever struggled to write a complex formula or gotten stuck trying to find a solution in Excel? I think we all have. ChatGPT is an incredibly useful tool for anyone who uses Excel on a regular basis. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you will be able to save time and arrive at solutions in an easier way. So now let's take a look at ChatGPT. We can see there's an ability to create a new chat, which I'll do here. We've got a couple of different examples that demonstrate the capabilities, some examples that we might want to follow in the future, and also to be mindful of some of the limitations here. So if I need to get a prompt, I need to also have some data first. So let's take a look at that. The data that I have here is just a dummy data set of stock market data. And you can see there's the stock name, the sector, and some financial metrics here. And in this tutorial, we'll go through a VLOOKUP, a SUMIF, and an index match to really test the capabilities of ChatGPT. So here we've got the company name, and we are missing column B, which is a stock symbol or a ticker. I've got a separate tab that has this data in column C. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to identify this company name within this separate tab. Let me create the prompt. Okay, let's see what it can do. So it's giving us a brief background of what the VLOOKUP formula looks like. And it's written something for us. This looks like it might be right. Let's give me some more background. This looks pretty helpful. Okay, let me give that a try. Yeah, that looks right. 3N company, symbol is NNM. Good job, ChatGPT. Let's try the SUMIF, see if we can go 2 for 2. So in this case, we have the sector, which is information technology, and I want to understand what the market cap looks like in my data set. So I have all this data in column B. I'm trying to sum everything in column I that relates to information technology. So let me give a prompt for ChatGPT. Okay, let's see how it does on this one. It's giving some more syntax details. And here it's actually written something that looks right. It's pretty powerful. Let's try that one. Okay, that's a pretty big number. Let me go ahead and test in the data set to make sure it's actually generated it correctly. So I'm just going to filter for information technology. And we've got market cap. Yeah, that looks right. Yeah, checks out. Now here's the real test. Let's see the index match. In this case, I have the company name of Apple Inc., and I'm trying to understand what the dividend yield is in my data set. So I have that in column A, looking for the financial figure in column E. So let's see if we can go 3 for 3. Let's give that a try. Okay, give me some more background. Some options for a fixed range. That's interesting. Okay, it looks pretty good. Let's give this a final try. This is what ChatGPT says. That looks like it might be right. Let's check the data set. About 1.6% yield. That looks correct. Wow. Okay, fair enough. Good job, ChatGPT. So what have we learned? Well, for starters, ChatGPT is an excellent tool that can definitely simplify my daily issues that I find whenever I'm working in Excel. Next, the AI is very powerful, but it's important to be clear when defining the prompt for ChatGPT to follow. I've tried in the past, trying to be more brief. It didn't always work out, so it's definitely something that you need to be mindful of if you're using this tool. The potential is endless, but ChatGPT is not a replacement for your understanding and your own knowledge of Excel or whatever topic you're using AI to solve. Fact checking is essential, especially since AI is not always correct. I hope you found this tutorial on ChatGPT with Excel to be very useful. I'm excited to see how everything develops and how AI transforms our daily lives. Please tap the like and subscribe button and be on the lookout for more simple finance solutions.